Okay guys, welcome back to Yamato build 1 to 350 scale. Now this morning I did part 16, got it all together, filed it, sanded it, 2000 grit. Now you can see these, but you can't feel them, they're all nice and clean. Alright, so that part's there. Now I'm going to get onto this part here, in the next hour or so. Now I'm going to put these parts on F22, what is it? F5, F22, these ones G11 and all that. I'm going to leave them and they're going to be painted on the sprue, as will G12. F22 I'll put on, and I'll get them pieces on. Beautiful. Oh, come on. Alright, where'd it go this time? Hell's finding stuff on the floor when you just vacuumed and mopped. Hey, the only stuff there is your parts, which shouldn't really be there. Come on. Oh, what is wrong? Thank you. Oh, dear me. Alright, I'll leave that alone. Just bent that. Ouch. Nasty. So I turn on the camera and bingo. I'm going to rely on glue. There we go. Just drain. walk away, walk away. Okay, get on to step 18 now. Looks really nice. Very nice. Yes. All right. All right, walk away. Okay, I was working on the radar before and I really stopped talking while I'm working, especially that stuff. Now, I was having a bit of fun not so long ago. I bought myself some enamel thinners and with the black line. Guys, I'm a bit all over the place. I was building the PE for the radar and then I got sidetracked by the weekend. We had a lovely weekend with the family. But it's not glued on, it's just dry fit, and I must admit, yeah, it's not going nowhere. Oh, don't worry about the mess, we'll get onto that later. Now, I know it's glossy, but it hasn't received a clear coat yet, so you're getting the full gloss effect. And, where is it? Okay, we're back at it. Now, I did some work with my wood veneer, and I went from that colour there to this richer colour using oils, and I used yellow ochre and burnt umber, right? Very little amount of that stuff. And I got this. Now that goes like that. Now I love the richness of that, and if I add the other one, yes, looking good, looking good. Alright, put that away. Alright, you can stay if you want to. Yeah. Yeah, good looking shit. Now, I also bought X20 thinners, enamel paint thinners. Love the shit. Works really well with this stuff. And I went and did this side. And I really love the effect. Now it's a rainy old day here, and yeah, lighting is very poor. Anyway, I got that, and from that I had to start with this. Now it got really messy at first, but I'm just going to give you a quick example of what I was going through. Yeah, basically a lot of cotton tips, cotton buds, Q-tip, cotton buds, yes. Call them cotton tips now. Ah, jeez. Alright. Now, a bit of the thinners and reactivate the enamel. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. I'll move it along a bit. And it's just a slow process, fun process, and wicking it down the hole. Like that, and every now and then, grab a cue, just wipe away, right, just wipe it all away, right, add some more thinners, and repeat until you get the effect that you're after. Now some parts, the enamel gets a bit thicker than others and you have to give it a little scrub, but at the end you just wick it down, take your time and keep doing it. Wipe, 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 thinners, alright. And it's a dry brush, I do dry it off, like there's not that much thinners going on there, alright. I'm not drowning it. Wipe, wipe. Right. Go down the red as well. That way it looks like it's running down. There we go, lovely. And that's what I've been doing. There you go, some thick stuff, rub it out and bring it down. Alright. Get rid of the excess. Alright, cotton bud. There you go. Sometimes too, just using a cotton bud just to get in there and take away the big stuff. Alright. Alright. It's a bit like oils, the more you rub away, the less you get. But with this stuff, it's like pretty instant. Once it's dry, it doesn't take long to dry. And you move on. Still like my oils, but I must admit, this is pretty cool. Alright, just repeat, repeat, repeat. That's it. That's what I've been doing. There you go. And I'll probably do a little bit of brown as well, like around the anchors and all that, but that's what I've been doing. Anything else? No, I don't think so. But yeah, like even, where is it? Here you go. That part there, that's all pretty dark. Dab, dab, and bit dark for you guys to see, eh? Anyway, like I said, it's a rainy old day here. Everything is dark. I've got all the lights on, but I could do this for hours, so I'm going to let you guys get on with it. It's just a quick catch up. Just make sure you get all the edges so you got no stain marks. Alright, I'll keep going at this till I'm happy with it. But it really does bring out a lot of the details that you wouldn't see normally. Anyway, like I said, I could go on like this for hours. It's really quite therapeutic. Oh, took a little bit too much off there. It's not too bad. Damn you. Oh, you couldn't see what I was doing anyway. Anyway, like I said, I'll get on with it, and I'll probably see you next video. Take care, have a good one.